Hi guys, I'm Kumari. Welcome to Tamang Kitchen. Today I'm going to cook really simple and tasty jackfruits, potatoes, and I'm going to use yogurt also. Let's prepare. It's really simple and perfect with boiled rice, not paratha, not roti. Suitable this vegetable. So let's prepare without delay. I have already wash and then boil for 5 minutes and then wash it properly. Now already I have taken 2 medium sized potatoes. You can see guys, I have washed and then boil, and then 2 potatoes and half onion because it was really big, 2 tablespoons ginger and garlic paste and tomato paste and yogurt, cumin powder, coriander powder, chili flakes, chili powder, just 1/4 teaspoon, turmeric powder, all of them 1 teaspoon, and salt to taste. I kept oil to cook. Also I have added fenugreek seed. Now time to add onions. Now let's give quick mix. I'm going to add salt, pinch of salt to cook onion faster. Guys, you can adjust quantity of this curry because I don't know how many people are going to eat in your house, so please adjust the quantity. That's why I didn't mention how much, how many gram is I'm cooking jackfruits and potatoes. Just you need to adjust. Now add the ginger and garlic paste. I already add, let it cook. Now mix both of them together. Let the ginger and garlic paste raw flavor cook completely. Now time to add tomato puree. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons, around 2 tablespoons, because tomato was really sour taste, so I'm going to use less. If your tomatoes are not sour, you can use more. Now it's already cooked. Now add all the dry spices, mix it and cook for a second to get nice flavor in your curry. Make sure not to burn, keep the flame low. Now I'm going to add potatoes and jackfruits. Add both of them one time. Now I'm going to add salt to taste. Make sure add salt not too much because we have added before also while cooking the onions, so just adjust the salt. Now you need to roast both of them, potatoes and jackfruits, for 2-3 minutes and then add the gravy for water for gravy. Just adjust the water how much gravy you want in your jackfruit curry. So I'm adding hot water so that you can get faster boil. Now give a quick mix. Now give the whistle and then give now cover the lid and then give whistle for 3 to 4 whistle. If your pressure cooker giving the whistle very fast, then you can give the 3 whistle. If your cooker is not giving fast whistle, then you can give 2 whistle. I have given 3 whistle, perfect for me, because this pressure cooker will give really fast whistle. That's why I give the 3 whistle. Depend on you guys, but jackfruit is not Guys, after added water, I have added the yogurt also 2 tablespoons, but video is missing. Please do not forget to add yogurt and then give 3 whistles. Now already cooked, it's perfect, ready to serve with boiled rice. Guys, enjoy this recipe, and if you like my video, please do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you visiting first time. सम्पूर्ण नेपाली दाजुभाइ दिदीबहिनीहरूलाई स्वागत छ तामाङ किचनमा। रेसिपीलाई ट्राई गर्नुहोस् भन्न चाहन्छु। र मलाई एकजना दाइले कमेन्ट गरिदिनु भएको छ, उहाँलाई धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद छ कमेन्ट गरिदिनु भएकोमा।